Hello people, it's Top Health Tips here. Did you know nearly half of the people who start a new diet quit within the first month? One of the biggest culprits? Giving up on the things they love. But what if I told you losing weight doesn't have to mean deprivation? Weight loss drinks have gained popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Not only do they provide a convenient way to boost your metabolism, but they can also help you burn fat and shed those unwanted pounds. You can enjoy delicious drinks that quench your thirst and help torch those stubborn pounds. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 drinks for rapid weight loss, and last 3 drinks on our list are best ones, so keep watching. First up, we've got green tea, a powerhouse for weight loss. It's loaded with compounds called catechins, specifically EGCG. EGCG has been shown to increase your metabolism and ramp up fat burning. Think of it as a fire starter for your body's calorie-burning engine. Green tea is super versatile. Enjoy it hot or cold, plain or with a touch of natural sweetness. Personally, I love starting my day with a cup of warm green tea with a squeeze of lemon. It's refreshing, wakes me up, and gets my metabolism going. For those new to green tea, don't worry if you're not a fan of the taste at first. There are many varieties out there. The key to maximizing green tea's benefits is to drink it regularly. Aim for at least 2 to 3 cups per day. Ready to sip your way to a slimmer you? Give green tea a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Next on our list is black coffee. That morning cup of joe can actually help you lose weight. Coffee is a natural stimulant that can help increase your metabolism and give you a much-needed energy boost. The key ingredient in coffee is caffeine, a natural stimulant that can increase your metabolic rate. It helps your body burn more calories, even at rest. Caffeine can also improve your physical performance during workouts. A cup of black coffee about 30 minutes before your workout can make a big difference. For those sensitive to caffeine, start slow and listen to your body. Decaf coffee still offers some health benefits. Remember the power of black coffee. It's a simple, calorie-free drink that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Now let's move on to apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a few tricks up its sleeve for shedding those extra pounds. One way it aids in weight loss is by increasing feelings of fullness. Consuming apple cider vinegar with a meal can help you feel more satisfied and reduce overall calorie intake. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar slows down the rate at which food empties from your stomach. Apple cider vinegar has also been linked to improved blood sugar control, crucial for weight management. Because it's quite acidic, dilute it before drinking. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a large glass of water. You can add a bit of honey or stevia to sweeten it up if you prefer. Let's talk about ginger tea, a soothing and flavorful drink with medicinal properties. Ginger tea can be a valuable ally for weight loss due to its powerful effects on digestion. Ginger contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe your digestive system. By improving digestion, ginger tea helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently and reduces bloating. Ginger can also help regulate blood sugar levels, essential for managing weight and reducing cravings. Brew your own ginger tea by simmering fresh ginger slices in hot water or opt for pre-packaged ginger tea bags. Last but not least, we have lemon water. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water can make a significant difference in your weight loss efforts. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts your immune system. Lemon water promotes hydration and aids in detoxification. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Adding lemon to your water encourages you to drink more, keeping you hydrated and your metabolism humming. Lemons contain pectin, a fiber that helps you feel fuller for longer and reduces overall calorie intake. If you are interested to find out more about lemon water and its benefits, make sure to check the video in top right corner. So there you have it, the top 5 drinks to help you achieve rapid weight loss. Remember, weight loss drinks are just one part of the equation. To see real results, you need to combine them with a healthy diet and regular exercise. But with the right combination, you can finally achieve your weight loss goals and get the body you've always wanted. What are your go-to weight loss drinks? Share your favorites in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.